So I'm going to show you some advanced product research today. I almost bought this product to review, but then I decided against it, and I'm going to tell you why. So the good things that I saw, one influencer video, so I would be on the top carousel, and you may be like, oh well, the 30-day revenue says it's not selling. But this is an AC, it's a seasonal item, and it only sells whenever it's hot outside. So I went to the Keepa extension that I have at the bottom. You can see the price history, and if you do a year, it's sold up to 500 units a month. So I'd be the only one on this product, on an expensive product, uh, and I would get sales. I'm very confident I would get sales. It has a creator connections campaign that lasts until October, which is, if you look here, the sales dropped off after August. So the campaign is just enough time. But the reason why I didn't purchase it is because, yes, they've been selling this product for a long time, but if you go to the offers, the seller is shipping this. If it was, he's shipping this himself. So the stock says 100. He may or may not have 100. The seller can put however much stock they want, and they can fulfill the orders or they might not. But if it showed prime right here, then the stock count would be the inventory that's actually at Amazon warehouse that gets the 2-day shipping. This is seller fulfilled. So I don't know if he actually has the stock that he says he has. So I decided not to purchase this, and that's just some tips to help keep you safe whenever you're spending money on these products to invest. Also, I have a free Discord group that has the free sample product forms. This gets posted every day. If you want to join this group, it's completely free. I'll include the invite link in the description, and it's also in my bio.